Hello friends, today I am talking about civil service exam and I want to tell you how to prepare a civil service exam, what are the things will be there in the civil service exam, how much time it will take for completely preparation and what are the rules and what are the process you need to follow. These are the important things today I am going to discuss in the civil service exam. Firstly, if you want to become IAS, IPS or IFS or any central service officer, you need to write a civil service exam. So let's start about civil service exam. Before I am going to start my civil service exam, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and listen complete video so that you will get a complete idea. You can see IAS, Indian Administrative Service, other one is Indian Foreign Service and other one is Indian Police Service. These are the three services available in all India services posts. So next one is Central Service. You can see India P&T Accounts Finance Service Group A. Such a way, all you can see in the screen are the Central Service. If you write a civil service exam, you will be eligible for this post. You can see few more jobs in Central Service Group A and there is another one called Group B Services. So this is you can eligible for these services also if you write a civil service exam. Going to the history of the civil service exam, you can see from 2010 onwards, so many people are writing civil exams. More than 10 lakhs. Right now in 2018, more than 12 lakhs people are applied for the civil exams. In the civil exam prelims, attempting prelims is nothing but you are writing an exam. So in 2018, more than 6 lakhs people are attempted for the prelims. What happened is, when you going to the next exam is main exam. The main exam, the filtering is happening such a way that approximately only 1% out of 100, only 1% of people are going to the main exam. The toughness in the prelim exams you have to understand. And the prelim exam starts at June. And the main exam is at October. So the gap between the prelim exam and main exam are only 4 months. If you qualify prelim exams, you have to break the main exams in 4 months. So this is not a one-day plan to study. You have to plan for more number of days. Approximately years you have to spend here for getting this target. This job, if you want to write this exam, you must be very strong. You must be very matured and you must be very planned, and you have to execute all the things in the right way. You have to learn carefully, you have to plan your time, you have to respect your time, and you have to go further. This exam is not so simple what you expect. This exam is little, compared to all the other exams, it is tougher than tougher. But if you think in that way, you can't crack this exam. I can tell you one thing, if you every minute if you think about this civil service exam and your dream is civil service exam and your target is civil service exam and your aim, your goal, everything is civil service exam, then only please apply this job. Other than that, don't apply. This is not a luck oriented exam. By mistakenly I get some marks, you get. No, this is not, it won't happen like that. So simple is that you have to focus your exam. Simple is that you have to dream. You need to dream your job. This is the place where you have to dream it. Your dream, you have to fulfill your dream. You must be like a powerful man. Because out of 10 lakh people applying this exam are writing more than 6 lakh people and only jobs are 1000. That means 0.01% only it is there. Practically, you must be completely dedicated for this exam, then only you can able to crack this exam. Your all intentions, you all love, your emotions, everything must be with this civil exam only, then only you can able to crack this. Unless or that, don't waste your valuable time, you can do many things. That's what my suggestion is. And now going I want to inspire you guys, so that how you get inspiration, you will get inspiration from the very much bigger people. Now I am going to talk about a minute about Swami Vivekananda. what Swami Vivekananda said, arise, awake and stop not until the goal is reached. So if you put your civil service exam, you have to arise, awake, and you would not stop until your goal is reached. Such a way the inspiration must be there. And your aim, see for the highest aim at the highest, and you shall reach the highest. Vivekananda said excellently, if you see the aim must be high, then only you will be in high. If you put your aim very small, you will be small. So this is the wonderful inspiration quote from the Swami Vivekananda, how to aim your career, how to aim your challenge. Other most powerful one. This is about your power. All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. This is about power. All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. So if you have a strong confidence and you are powerful, you think that you are very, very strong. Friends, now I am going to the subject now. What will be there in the prelims exam? Having two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. In the paper 1, you can see the current events, and the other one is history of India and Indian national movement, India and world geography. All these history related things you have to learn very good. Indian polity, panchayati raj system and governance, economic and social development, environment ecology, biodiversity, climate change and general science, art and culture. Paper 2, skill in comprehension, interpersonal skills, communication, logical reasoning, analytical ability, decision making, problem solving, basic numerology, data interpretation, English language, comprehension skills, mental ability. All these are the topics covered in the prelim exam. So you guys need to prepare all the books whichever related to this. Not only just books, you have to go to the internet and find out the new researches and get updated. Not only that, you have to study the articles from the many big people. Study all the corners of the knowledge. You have to grasp all the corners of the knowledge. These are the very valuable things, you have to grab it. And prelim exam is completely not any written exam. It is something just a choose the correct answer. So there is no need of writing preparation here. But after 4 months you will have a main exam. If you crack this exam, then the next target will be the tougher and toughest. So you need to prepare preliminary exam and main exam parallelly. You have to plan every day at least 2 hours to 3 hours for 2 to 3 years, so that you will have your body and your mind were habituated with these thoughts. Then only you can able to break these challenges. So friends, this is the right time. If you are interested, if you are crazy about your civils, if you are dream about your civils, and if you have a very real challenging things about your civils, then only you choose this target. Then this is the higher of the highest goal. So you will have a very good value, respect in the society. So friends, going more. Next is main exam. See, the main exam is not at all the choose the correct answer. It is completely written based. You can see India Science Independence. It's a paper 1. Second one is world history. This is GS paper 1. India Society, GS paper 1. Foreign relations. This is GS paper 2. International affairs, GS paper 2. International security, GS paper 3. Disaster management, GS paper 3. Ethics, integrity and aptitude, entire GS paper 4. Essay paper. There is no essay in prelims, but here you have to write your essay. Optional papers means you have choice. Suppose you are from engineering background, you are doing mechanical or civil or any electrical subject, so there is some options in that. You can select your option. If you are electrical, you can select electrical. If you are civil, you can select civil. If you are mechanical, you can select mechanical. Such a way there is an options will be there. These optional papers, you can select your own option and you have to prepare those subject. So in this exam will be conducted in so many languages. You can see the many languages in India. So in this language, if you belongs to any language, you can apply, you can write via Telugu or English or Tamil or Punjabi or Sanskrit or Gujarati or Kannada, Kashmiri, anything, whichever you belongs to your own language, you can write in that language. That is the advantage with civils. And there is no percentage limit. There is nothing like, you must be topper in the college or nothing like that. Nobody will care about you are a topper or you are a less mark, you got less marks, nothing like that. You need to complete your just a degree. If you complete your degree, that's it, if you are eligible for writing this exam. So any language you can write your exam. This is the fantastic chance. You can utilize your mother tongue and you can do it. So this is about list of languages. We will check the website here. See upsc.gov.in. This is the website. You have to go into it and see the website. You can see in the screen the website. In this website they will give the notification. So where I have to check the notifications? See here, there is something called examination. Click on the examination. Go to the calendar and click on it. You can see the calendar, the announcement calendar 2019. Complete 2019. What are the requirements are there in the Union Public Service Commission? They mentioned in one PDF. You can see the notification here, Union Public Service Commission. You can see all 2019 jobs they given in the 2018 June. They already posted here. They given a 6 months time to plan all these exams. Civil Services Preliminary Examination 2019. When the notification will come on 19/02/2019 onwards, you can apply for this Civil Service Examination. You can see in the March 18 the application date will be closed. You can see in the June. You can just go to this website in June and check it out. So you can see when 2020 when is the exam. So you can plan for your exam. So these are some points. And if you see the website, I can tell you some more important things in the website what you can notice here. Here see active examinations. Here see forthcoming examination. Next whatever the exams are going to come, those exams will be posted here. This is previous question paper. Already question paper is there in 2018, 2019. Those question papers you can available here. You can see the cutoff marks here. You can see the cutoff marks here, how much the cutoff will be. So here, this is the PDF. If you open any exam which is related to this civil services, you can go to the specific PDF and check what's the cutoff. It is so simple. These are the answer keys for this previous question papers. This is the answer keys. This is marks information. Whoever passed, who qualified previous exam, all the marks here you will get here. You want a model paper, then here you will get a model papers and with the answers. All the details are available here. These are the 10 important books for civil services. You can identify in the online or you can find out in the libraries. You can get in your nearest libraries or you can get in the book-stalls. You can buy these books. Whatever you can do, you can order in online. You can get in Amazon too. You can get in Amazon. There is another option. You can buy a second-hand book also. This is about summary whatever we discussed till now, and so you can see department name is UPSC and exam Civil Service Examination 2019. See the posts are total 24 types of services are there. Eligibility what? Graduation. Age limit is 21 to 32. This is for OC. For BC 35, and if you go to SC ST, for them 37 years. Total number of attempts of writing exam is for OCs are 6 and BCs 9 and other one is SC ST, for them unlimited. They can attempt every year. Exam fee is 100 rupees. Job location India. Application mode you can go for online. Preliminary exam this year to 2nd June 2019. So friends, I am going to talk something very important end of the session. So friends, see this is not just an ordinary exam, just go and write. It is not like that. You must be very much passionate, you must be dreaming well, you must be confident on it, and you don't have any fear. First of all, you would not be any fear. You must be very, very confident in preparing, and you would not take any stress while preparing. You have to prepare very cool. People generally, the students will sleep, wake up at the night and write exam tomorrow. That's not the way this exam have to prepare. This is something like daily you brush your teeth. Do you miss any time you are brushing your teeth? No. Every day you will brush your teeth. Such a way you have to prepare this exam every day 1 hour. For minimum 2 to 3 years, you have to put a plan. Before you plan, just think what you can do. Then you plan it. Not just plan it, you start executing it. Divide your plan into small plans every day, and every day you have to, whatever you planned, you have to achieve it, and every day you have to check it out. Yes, today I want to plan this small subject. I want to study this. Yes, I studied, I completed. Something like that. Every day you need to plan, execute it, and check it out. So then only for 2 to 3 years, if you do such a way, then you will become habituated of learning this type of exam. Then after 3 years, if you attempt preliminaries and you break it, then you will have another goal called main examination. So parallelly, these 3 years, you just not to prepare only for preliminary, you have to prepare for main exams too. This is not the 10th class exam or any exam. You can get high scores. There is no topper or no weak here. Topper, sometimes you can see the toppers won't even pass the preliminary, but normal 60%, 50%, 40% guys will crack this exam. There are many cases here, so it is not that you are a topper or not. Don't lose that confidence. This is for everyone who have their passion in learning, who have their passion in thriving hard. So guys, so plan well. This is, if you have dream to achieve this, then only dream it. Unless or don't go for this.